Hi Miss Anita, I'm Hiroshini Selvam. My ID number is DAC042104A and I'm from Diploma in Healthcare Management, Batch 24. The topics that I'm going to talk about are reproduction system and urinary system. Introduction to reproductive system. The major function of the reproductive system is to ensure survival of the species. The reproductive system of an organism, also known as the genital system, the reproductive system is a collection of organs and a network of hormone production that work together to create life. The male reproductive system includes the testes, which produce sperm, penis, bladder, epididymis, seminal vesicle vas deferens, ejaculatory ducts, prostate gland, and urethra, while the female reproductive system consists of the ovaries, which produce eggs, fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, vagina, and vulva. Function of reproductive system. An individual may live a long, healthy and happy life without producing offspring. But if the species is to continue, at least some individuals must produce offspring. Within the context of producing offspring, the reproductive system has four functions. They are to produce egg and sperm cells, to transport and sustain these cells, to nurture the developing offspring, to produce hormone. The reproductive system is a collection of organs and a network of hormone production in men and women. The reproduction system enables a man to impregnate a woman who gives birth to a child. During conception, a sperm cell from the man fuses with an egg cell in the woman, creating a fertilized egg, which called embryo, that implants and grows in the uterus during pregnancy. Physiology of reproduction system in men. Scrotum, a pouch of skin that hangs outside the pelvis to hold and regulate the temperature of the testes. Epididymis, two coiled tubes that connect each testis to the vas deferens. Seminal vesicle and prostate gland, glands that produce seminal fluid. Vas deferens, a muscular tube that transports sperm from the testes to the ejaculatory ducts. Penis, the organ in which muscular contractions force sperm containing semen out of the urethra. Urethra, the tubes that passes urine and semen out of the body. Testicle or testes, two oval-shaped organs that produce and store millions of tiny sperm cells as well as male hormones including testosterone. Physiology of reproduction system in female. Vagina, a muscular passage that connects the cervix with the external genitals. Cervix, the lower part of the uterus that connects to the vagina. Fallopian tube, two tubes that connect the ovaries with the uterus. Ovary, two glands that produce eggs as well as the female hormones estrogen and progesterone. Uterus, a hollow muscular structure where the fertilized egg implants and fetus grows during pregnancy. Pathology of reproduction system. Bacterial vaginosis, Candida, Trichomonas cagnarella, carcinoma of cervix, reduced motility due to pap tests, male pseudohermaphroditism, genotypically male but phenotypically female. The second topic is urinary system. Introduction to urinary system. The urinary system maintains an appropriate fluid volume by regulating the amount of water that is excreted in the urine. Other aspects of its function include regulating the concentrations of various electrolytes in the body fluids and maintaining normal pH of the blood. In addition to maintaining fluid homeostasis in the body, the urinary system controls red blood cell production by secreting the hormone erythropoietin. The urinary system also plays a role in maintaining normal blood pressure by secreting the enzyme renin. Function of urinary system. The urinary system's function is to filter blood and create urine as waste byproduct. The organs of the urinary system include the kidneys, renal pelvis, ureterus, bladder, and urethra. The body takes nutrients from food and converts them to energy. After the body has taken the food components that it needs, waste products are left behind in the bowel and in the blood. The kidney and urinary systems help the body to eliminate liquid waste called urea, and to keep chemicals such as potassium and sodium and water in balance. Urea is produced when foods containing protein, such as meat, poultry, and certain vegetables, are broken down in the body. Urea is carried in the bloodstream to the kidneys, where it is removed along with water and other waste in the form of urine. Physiology of urinary system. Nerves in the bladder. The nerve alert a person when it is time to urinate or empty the bladder. This triangle-shaped hollow organ is located in the lower abdomen. Kidney. This pair of pulpish brown organs is located below the ribs toward the middle of the back. Sphincter. These circular muscles help keep urine from leaking by closing tightly like a rubber band around the opening of the bladder. Ureter. These narrow tubes carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Urethra. This tube allows urine to pass outside the body. The brain signals the bladder muscles to tighten, which squeezes urine out of the bladder. Pathology of urinary system. Kidney stone. The kidneys produce urine to eliminate waste. Kidney stones can form when mineral and acid salts in the urine crystallize and stick together. Urinary incontinence. Most bladder control issues arise when the sphincter muscles of the urethra are too weak or too active. If the sphincter muscles are too weak, a cough or sneeze can cause urination. Chronic kidney disease. The kidneys are damaged and unable to filter blood properly. This damage can lead to a build-up of waste substances in the body and to other problems, including kidney failure. Thank you, Ms. Anita and my fellow friends.